Hi everyone, in today's lesson we are going to see how to create if loop in Python. So first step, we have to create a variable. So let's create this. So num equal at 3. So second one, we are going to create if loop. So let's start by if num is superior than 0. So we can print. To use print, we can say name of the variable and some string information. For example, a positive. Okay. So, and now we add the condition. If num is superior than 0, we print num a positive. If num is not equal to 0, let's add the condition. So let's start else print num as negative. So as you can see, if num is negative, the book say num is negative. If num is positive, superior than 0, we say num is positive. For example, if we run this program, as you can see, 3 is positive. But if we add a number like 0, 0 is negative. We can explain that by the way if num is superior than 0, we do this. Else, if not superior than 0, we do else. We can do it by another way. I use elif. For example, with the same example, we can say this, but I can also add a like this. I can do elif and elif num is equal than 0. I can of course do something like that. I can do print 0 at null. So I do num as null. So as you can see, if my number is superior than 0, my number is positive, else my number is negative. But if my number is equal to 0, my number is null. For example, in first step, the program I'm going to run this. If this is not true, the program run this. If this is not true, do this instead. So let's try 0 as null. Sí, perfect. Let's try con 1. 0 es null. ¿Por qué? El número recorre 0. Pero if here I scrap 2 and here I scrap 1, 1 is negative. That's not finished. For this, if I replace 1 by 4, number is positive, so 4 is positive. So this is my first lesson. If you have any question, just ask in comment. I will gladly answer of your all question. So now let's end the video. Thank you to watching and don't forget to subscribe.